Hey everyone, today I will show you how to delete Threads account, and here's how it is done. Open the Threads app. Launch Threads on your mobile device, whether you are using an iPhone or Android. Access your profile. Tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Open Settings. At the top of your profile page, tap the two-line menu icon to open Settings. Navigate to Account Settings. Within the menu, tap Account and then select Deactivate or Delete Profile. Delete Profile. Scroll down and tap Delete Profile. You'll be asked to enter your Instagram password. Confirm deletion. Enter your password, confirm by tapping Delete Threads Profile, and you will see a confirmation message. Your account will be scheduled for deletion after 1 month. And that is everything you need to know about how to delete Threads account. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.